Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad. Now today's video is about the most affordable vitamin C serum in the market right now. Yes, we are going to be talking about the Garnier vitamin C serum. This is going to be a very unsponsored video, and I'm going to be talking about a few irritations I faced using this serum, and I am from a sensitive skin family, so yeah, if you want to know, and there are certain ingredients listed in this serum that I was very shocked, so I also wanted to share that with you. So if you are interested, please make sure you keep on watching. Yeah, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. Like, there are so many vitamin C serum that claims to do the same exact thing, actually removing dark spots and everything, above 500 and more than 1000. Now this one, the Garnier vitamin C, it's the only one that is actually around 400. Like, nothing is in the market that is actually below 500. So I got it on Amazon. I will give you the link down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. When I received it, it was very crumbled. I don't know why, but as it's a new product, but the outer packaging was very crumbled. You're now coming to the ingredients. Okay, now this is how the bottle looks like. It comes in a very nice dropper situation. Now the Garnier vitamin C serum has 30x booster serum. I think it means that it has 30x vitamin C power, I guess so. Now they have marketed as yuzu lemon as the key ingredient in this vitamin C serum, and actually when I read in Google, yuzu lemon is a powerhouse of vitamin C serum. It really helps in brightening and fading away dark spots. Now they have compacted the two most powerful ingredients, that is the vitamin C serum and the yuzu lemon. Now coming to the ingredients where I was actually shocked. Now in the ingredients, the first ingredient it has is aqua. The next ingredient is glycerin, alcohol, then there is dipro something, then like I will show you the ingredients list over here and I will mark it down. So the next ingredient it has is niacinamide. So this serum contains niacinamide. And so after niacinamide and other few ingredients, then the known ingredient is the ethyl ascorbic acid, and after that then there is some perfume and fragrance, and next ingredient was salicylic acid. Yes, if you are shocked, I don't know. So now this serum contains niacinamide, ascorbic acid, salicylic acid, and also lemon. Now the main thing is that when I actually saw the citric acid and the lemon, the yuzu lemon, the main powerhouse was at the end. I don't know how much percentage is given. I think it is given in a very low percentage so that it doesn't irritate your skin, because lemon can be too irritating. Like citrus acids usually irritates your skin, so I think that's the reason why they have kept below. As you know by now, it contains niacinamide, which is good for skin, but if you are reacting to niacinamide, you can break out. There are probable chances that you can break out. And there is also salicylic acid, which is also good for not breaking out. So it is a very confusing product. Anyways, the ingredient I felt a bit confusing, but I was not ready to put it on my face because I was scared that I might break out or my skin might feel irritated. Actually it did. Now I will show you the clips where I actually used it and my first day use it. So now the first day when I used this product, and this is how I just applied. I took the serum in my palm of my hand, I just tapped it on my face. Now on the first day when I used it, I felt some irritation on my skin just around my nose area and underneath my mouth, like around my chin area. I don't know why, I did feel some irritation and it was giving me some redness. It is a very lightweight formula. It is water-like, it feels so lightweight, and this is so non-greasy. I am in love with the formula and the texture. Like, the only areas I just felt some burning and some tingling sensation was just around my nose, around my chin areas. Now it claims to reduce your spots around in 3 days. It's impossible to reduce spots in 3 days. Come on, if it's not laser. I have some leftover acne marks, like dark spots. So this is my second day application, so I'm gonna be applying it AM and PM to get the better results from this vitamin C serum. Again, a very nice weightless formula. It just glides on your skin and it is water-like, and it doesn't give you that sticky, greasy feel. Third day I'm using this product. Till date, I haven't seen any spot reduction. My skin does look brighter and it looks glowy when I wake up in the morning. If you have acne spots, it actually won't remove them in 3-day challenge what this product claimed. I do like the serum. It didn't break me out. I have a sensitive oily skin, but this serum did not break me out. So yeah, that's it. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to invest your money in this product or not. But yes, it does make your skin look very nice and supple, which I really liked and appreciate about it. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you have already used it. And yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.